you'd agree we've got a wide range of skill and experience in this room today. A wide range. Yep. And yet, I'm going to teach you to the highest level of the standard, and I'm going to scaffold as appropriate. I do not have a low version of this, because if someone waved a magic wand and we all turned into children, we'd be worried about how to address the needs of so many levels in the room. We've got folks who are just starting their career, folks who have finished their first year, and we got folks with 30 plus years of experience in the same room. We would have to do some ability grouping. There's gotta be a low group here, and I don't have a low group version of this. I'm telling you, this is how human beings work best. In heterogeneous groups where we draft off one another, I haven't even acknowledged the folks in between with 5, 10, 15, 20 years experience, but we draft off each other. And so one of the paths to equity is this. You can't have students being taught below grade level all year long and seek out equitable practice. They fly in the face of one another. They cannot coexist.